Initian were approached by Adidas and Iris Worldwide to create an innovative digital experience for their new football franchise, Nemeziz. They were after an innovative consumer experience, one that helped to seal the position of their consumers as creators and position this football boot as the most innovative ever.
The idea that we sold them was an interactive boot that would convert physical interactions into real-time on-screen graphics. Everybody loved that idea, but nobody entirely knew how we're going to make it.
The Imagination Factory was asked to come up with a way to position a whole bunch of sensors inside the boot. We needed to sense position and bending and twisting and stroke. It's not hard to find these sensors off the shelf nowadays, but the challenge was how to position them inside the boot in a way that wouldn't restrict its natural movement. The chassis was easy to make using 3D printing and a tough material called nylon, but the last was a little bit more difficult because it had to be hand cast in an expanding foam into a bespoke mold.
We partnership with Kuva to generate all of the real-time graphics. We have a couple of integrations of different softwares, so we use Unity for the rendering, a lot of Max MSP for all of the Ojo and 360 systems, and pretty much Arduino inside the boots with several different sensors. So making all of the integration of these components was really challenging.
So Mixed Immersion were drafted in to help build a responsive, real-time, and an interactive audio environment for the user to basically stand within, move the boot, twist the boot, and create a sound experience around them which is unique to that particular user. To do this, we borrowed a technique called granular synthesis where we create a cloud around that particular user, and that cloud is full up of different sounds and different audio bytes triggered at different points at different times so that every single experience is absolutely unique.
The setup for the installation was a large screen and a plinth on which the physical boot was placed. As the user approached the boot, it would pulse and messaging appear calling all users to unlock agility. As soon as the user picked up the boot, they saw a change in the boot on screen and were encouraged to further interact with the boot, to twist it, bend it, and press. After the successful launch event of Nemeziz brand in June in London, we rolled this out to retail in stores in Italy, Germany, and at further events in the UK. The great thing was bridging that gap between physical product and digital experience.